I used to have like all pandas, so I wanted to kind of get off of that pattern and get some more burnt orange. These 3 I got my sophomore year.
Got this one freshman year, and he's got some holes in him, but that's okay. I think that just gives him some character. See, but that's okay. Yeah, the hole looks like it's pretty flat.
I know,
but it's got to come left off this hill, yeah?
And then it goes that way after, that's why, so we'll see.
As Adam Scott says, go with instinct.
Oh, we had it.
Had it right.
My wedges are engraved with hook'em. Your clubs don't normally represent the school, but it's just a fun way to get that on your wedges.
Or you could just do that.
Oh, that works. Hey.
Just hit it to 6 feet, that's good.
Of course, my pink grips. Pink's my favorite color, so gotta go with that. Have some of my individuality with all my Texas and burnt orange.
My white driver, which does not have a pink grip on it like Madison's. All mine are black because I'm pretty boring like that. Thank you. Caring for the course.
Yeah.
Boom.
Woo!
That's how it's done. Your turn. Get there! Oh,
You win.
it was a pleasure.